Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today our group will present about barometry experiment for lab 2 in subject BTU1112 physics laboratory. Okay, my name is AHMAD ZAIMI TF 1004 and I will present about introduction and objective. Okay, a barometry is scientific instrument that is used to measure air pressure in a certain environment. Pressure tendency can forecast short-term change in the weather. Many measurements of air pressure are used within the surface weather analysis to help find surface drop. Pressure systems are frontal boundaries. It can measure the pressure exerted by the atmosphere using water, air, and mercury. Okay, for objective, first, measure atmospheric pressure by measuring the mass of the water that is used as the fluid medium in barometer. Okay, second, describe the weather conditions associated with high and low pressure. Okay, third, conduct a barometry experiment using water to measure the pressure exerted. Okay, the last one, calculate the barometry pressure. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you, and I will pass to my friend to present about next part. Thank you.
Next, I will continue our presentation with methodology part. As you can see in the figure shown, this is a picture of how this experiment will be carried out. So the first material that we required is bottle, the second one is ruler, the third one is marker, the fourth is transparent glass, and the last one is water. For the procedures of the experiment is the first step, we mark every 2 centimeters from bottle lid until the bottom. Next, we make numbers starting from the bottom, and then we flip bottle and make numbers again. After that, we fill the bottle about halfway with water. After that, we place the glass upside down over the bottle, and then we quickly flip it over so the glass is upright. And then add a few centimeters of water into the glass. And the last one, we observe the water level rises due to the atmospheric pressure. So by observing the water level, we can predict the weather outside the barometer. I think that's all from me. I will pass to my friend to continue our presentation.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is NURSYAHID, IQMAL ALIF, and ZULKEFLI. ID number is TB20044. Experimental topic is barometer, and part of my presentation is result. Okay, the result. If the weather has changed during your observational period, you should have noticed someone corresponding change in the position of your barometer tips. When air pressure is high, the air outside of the bottle will be heavier than the air inside of the bottle. The water will be increased into the bottle, pushing the opposite end with the pointed tip higher. remember that high pressure usually means fair weather when the air outside of the bottle is less dense than the air inside of the water. Air pressure is low, the air inside the bottle will be pressed against the water will be decreased. The water will stretch a little, causing the pointer to be lower. Low pressure usually means a greater change for rain or snow in the near future. Okay, let's see result from homemade experiment. Okay, before the atmosphere change, water in the bottle is stay in 12 centimeter, and after the atmosphere change or rain or snow, the water in the bottle will be increased and go to 14 centimeter. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Muhammad FIRDAUS NAIM, TF19003 from Group 2. So today I am going to talk about the barometry experiment for the physics laboratory. So for the discussion part, a barometer is a device for measuring the air pressure. A barometer have two types, which is a mercury barometer that uses a mercury and an aneroid barometer that uses a balloon that expands or contracts when the atmospheric pressure changes. So a barometer also is an instrument that measures the pressure of the atmosphere at a particular location. When radar and satellite didn't exist, people relied on primitive barometers to anticipate the arrival of terrible weather such as hurricanes and major snowstorms. So when atmospheric pressure pushes down on the water in the glass as seen in the video, it will force the water go inside the bottle, causing the water level to rise. So as we can see and as all we know, if the water level is lower than normally it is, usually it indicates that a storm is coming, while when a rising water level means that the weather is clearing up. So the ability to predict and prepare for storms relies heavily on the ability to measure atmospheric pressure. That's all from me. I will leave the next part to my group mate. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Darwisyh Ariffin bin Ariffin. ID number TF19002. Okay, I will continue about our conclusion. Okay, this is our conclusion. At the end of this experiment, a homemade version is a type of barometer, is a simple construct. The purpose of barometer is to indicate whether a air pressure is rising or reducing. Okay, inside of the water level bottle, it will rise above and the air pressure is lower than a water level in the bottle. Okay, when the air pressure is higher in the body of the bottle, the water level in the bottle will fall. This is happening because of barometric pressure. The pressure creates the weight of the air above us, to known as a barometric pressure. The earth of atmosphere above us contain air which, being quite light, begins to gain weight as gravity pulls the air molecule together. That's all for me. Thank you.